As always, I'll go straight to the point, but please don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more content like this. Today, I will be showing you how to basically find friends in your area or find other Telegram users in your area, chat with them and maybe become friends. They won't have your phone number, they won't have your house address. In fact, if you change your name in your Telegram account, they won't even see your real name, right? It's just like to go. It's just like WhatsApp. You're making new friends in the area, but they do not know, they do not know your exact house address. They just live in your area. Now, it's called the nearby feature on Telegram, and that's what I want to show you guys. How do you access this nearby feature? Well, you simply click on this icon on the top left corner. When you click on it, it's going to open your Telegram profile. So the part I'm talking about is this people nearby option. This people nearby option basically shows you the people that live around your area, 500 meters away, 1000 meters away, 1 kilometer away. You're basically going to see these people if they also have their locations turned on. And how do you do this? You click on the people nearby. You see an option that says make yourself visible. If you click on the make yourself visible, it will basically make you visible to also people in your area, and you can chat with these people. You can simply just slide into their DM and say, hi, I found you through people nearby on Telegram, and you can start chatting with each other. I've tried this before and it worked fine. You don't just have to even use it for your area. It could be anywhere you travel to. It uses your location to find people around who use Telegram and made their locations visible so you can connect with them, right? Again, these people, they don't know your real name. If you don't use your real name on Telegram, they don't have access to your phone number. Don't worry. If you don't use your exact profile picture on your Telegram, they will not know that it's you. It's a really cool feature. I think Snapchat has a similar feature where you can basically find people in the area. So I've used this before. You can make friends in your area with this option. Let me know what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you around. Bye.